What's up guys, Swazz here. Welcome to another new unboxing video on my YouTube channel. So as you probably saw from the title of this video already, that today we're going to be unboxing this laptop that I currently have in front of me, which is the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. You guys might be thinking, oh, this is not a regular gaming laptop unboxing and tech spec overview video. In fact, you guys are right, and this is not a gaming laptop, but instead a work laptop. But apart from that, this is the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED that I currently have on my hands right now. It's actually one of the most solid and best working laptops that are currently on the market. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So that you saw right there was the unboxing part of the video. Now let's get to the basic tech spec overview part of the video. So as you probably saw, I see from the screen right now that there's a screen recording right next to me. I don't know where I'm going to place it in editing, but you guys may think it's really familiar on the channel. If you guys saw my last video on the Asus G15 unboxing, and yeah, it's basically just the screen recording right now that I have on my mobile phone right now, so you guys can actually see the official listed specs that I currently have on this laptop. Yeah, and without me like editing or writing all the specs on the screen right now. So yeah, it just makes the job a lot easier, and probably a lot easier for you guys to see as well. So the laptop is called the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED with a model number of UX3402, and also have a 12th gen Intel iCore. The laptop does actually cost around, when I actually bought it, it did actually cost around 11,000 HKD, which in pounds is around 1,000 to 1,100 pounds. So yeah, it is not a cheap one, but it is definitely worth it. The color that I have right here right now on the laptop of the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED is colored upon the blue, but there's also another color, I think it's called aqua something something, but it is around grayish white colored. So, but honestly, for the unboxing that I have here right now, I do have to pawn the blue version. The OS of this laptop obviously uses Windows 11, and the processor of this laptop that I have here right now is not actually the most expensive or the best processor that's currently on the market, or listed wise on the screen recording. The laptop that I currently have for this laptop is the Intel Core i5 version with a 1240p processor with 1.7 GHz clock speed, and also 12M cache with up to 12 cores, 4 being performance cores and 8 being efficiency cores. If you don't know what that means, then just make sure to check out other videos, because definitely don't look at this video, because I won't spend time explaining what different types of cores are on this laptop. The graphics card uses a very simple Intel Iris Xe graphics card. Display of the laptop, laptop is a 14-inch display with 2.8K OLED with 16:10 aspect ratio and with a 0.2 millisecond response time and 90 Hz as well. The laptop also does have 400 nits with HDR peak brightness at with HDR peak brightness. So blah blah blah, you can just see on the screen right now. I don't really want to talk too much about it because it is pretty long. The memory of the laptop, it does have 16 gigs of RAM with an LPDDR5 on board, and the RAM is unfortunately not, you cannot upgrade the RAM even more like gaming laptops wise. So unfortunately that's not, you can't really upgrade the RAM, but it is what it is for a working laptop, and it is what it is for the pricing. The storage of the laptop is 512 gigs SSD with a PCIe 4.0 performance, which it is the fourth version of PCIe. And the ports of the laptop, this laptop does have one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A's ports, two Thunderbolt C 4 ports, one HDMI 2.1, one 3.5mm combo audio jack, which is basically just normal headphone jack, and one micro SD card reader. The laptop does actually have a keyboard and touchpad, which is kind of a backlit chiclet type of style keyboard. As you're probably seeing on the screen right now, it is a backlit chiclet keyboard, which you can obviously buy or use an external keyboard if you wish to, but honestly for a work laptop, I think a chiclet keyboard is fine and is really good for typing. The front and rear cameras of the laptop does actually include a 720p HD camera, which also have different features such as motion tracker if you see the official Asus self-promoting video. So yeah, if you want to know more about the features there, then make sure to check those videos out. The audio of this laptop is pretty simple, with just a normal built-in speaker, built-in microphone, and smart AMP technology, which is kind of basic for a laptop nowadays. The laptop also does have a 75 watt-hour battery, which also includes a 65 Type-C charger, which it is very quick, and it is pretty good. But it's nothing like, but from Asus, they actually did say that the battery hour can actually last up to 18 hours, but realistically with different type of usages and stuff, it will probably last to around 8, 9 or 10 hours, so it is still pretty good. The weight of the laptop currently does weigh at 1.39 kilograms, and also in other sense wise 3.06 pounds. And depending on which region you buy, but I bought this laptop from Hong Kong, it does give different accessories according to different regions of the world. And in Hong Kong, you actually do get the basic laptop or sleeve or bag to it. So yeah, you can pretty much just use that. But if you really care about those type of accessories that you get when you're actually buying a laptop, then you might just want to get it in Hong Kong. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to say about it. So there are a few things that I really liked about this laptop compared to other working laptops. Is firstly, it's really cool looking design on the back part of the screen or the front part of the laptop. With the lines tracing out the new Asus logo, does give off that really cool looking vibe to it, and it does give that stealthy type of preference that I quite like for working laptops. The third thing I really liked about a laptop is its power brick. Considering of how long the battery lasts on this working on the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, having that small of a power brick is kind of impressive, as the battery is that big, but the power brick is that small, with still having the capabilities of a 65 watt fast charging feature. So I do find it very impressive how small the power brick is compared to many other big brands. So having a small power brick can also bring the charger along with the laptop in and place it into your travel bag a lot easier and actually use a lot less space. So I'm pretty impressed with that. So that is it from me of the unboxing and tech spec overview of the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED that I currently have on my hands right now. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to say. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this video out to every single person you know. And yeah, I'll highly appreciate it because it will definitely help the growth of the channel to reach more different audiences. And yeah, and make sure to click the notification bell so you won't be able to miss any uploads that I upload in the future. So that's it for me. Make sure to click the like, subscribe, comment, and do all that stuff. And yeah, I highly appreciate that, and see you next time.